Assalamu alaikum. Our project is skin disease classification, and in this project we have created a classification model which is used to classify three diseases, that is acne, psoriasis, and vitiligo. So basically, we have imported a TensorFlow model. Then let me show you the dataset. Here are the dataset: acne, psoriasis, and vitiligo. And I have imported these dataset from Kaggle. So we have imported the dataset here, and I have classified into its names, and here are the sample of these images. Now I have augmented the data to increase this dataset. So I have used a sequential model, CNN sequential model, and and I have trained it for 50 epochs. And it gives me the accuracy of 81%, which is quite good in this little amount of dataset. And I have saved it into this H5 file. Here are some graphs which shows that as soon as the amount of epochs is increasing, the graph of accuracy is also increases, and similarly the loss graph is decreasing as soon as the number of epochs are increasing. So here I have saved it into the H5 file, and here I have predicted some images. Since I have distinguished this dataset into 80-20, 80% of images are catered in are into the training model, and remaining 20% images I have used in the test. So here the actual images psoriasis, and the model predicted it as psoriasis. Here model is predicting wrong because the amount of data set is small, so that's why here the model is not working good. But the rest of the images, the model is working perfectly fine, as you can see here. See here, its actual image is acne, and model is predicting acne too. So that's it from our project. Thank you.